Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine today. Let's draw a simple line drawing with a mixed media. So for this one, we're going to draw a bridge here. And let's see, the bridge is coming up with a long pattern. And you can see the railings here. So railings are going to be like this. Awesome. And there's going to be the arch at the bottom. All right, and you can see the graphics of the brick pattern for the bridge here. Okay, so after this there's going to be the outline for the land area. You can see the outline is going to be like this. Okay, so there's going to be the water body here at the bottom of the bridge, and you can see the sign pen and the color tone is very easy. Later we're going to fill it up with the pencil. So very simple drawing, and we're going to have a tree here in this portion. So let's draw the tree. And you know, the organic tree has few branches. Okay, so few curved lines. Awesome. So lots of leaves you can see on top of the trees. So we're not gonna take so much time. It's going to be very simple. And you know, here you're going to see a mountain. Okay, and another mountain is visible on the other side. So two mountains, just line is visible in the middle of the sea. And on the one portion you can see the mountain is going to be the darker, another portion is going to be the lighter. All right, so here let's put the color for the mountains, and starting from the left side you can see the drawing goes on very fast. Okay, and putting the color tone, also putting the same types of shading pattern for the mountains of the other one. Okay, so this is almost done. All right, and now we're going to put the color for the trees here. You can see the green color, nice color tone, the tree getting visible. Awesome. So it's like drawing in few minutes, so not that much longer time. The breeze, you can see the color pattern, the purple color is highlighting the breeze and the land area. Okay, and if you like to make it more darker, you can mix it up with another color just to put it like a highlighted one, so more darker. Okay, for the water body here we're going to put the blue color with the color pencil and making some variations of the shades and shadows like the darker and softer color tone. Okay, this is because of the reflections. And we're going to use the crayons for the sky on the top. Okay, and after putting the color we are going to mix up the whole area like the fingertips, you can see. So it's just mixing up with the canvas very nicely and very smoothly. Awesome. Few birds going to fly in the sky. So these are the graphics for the birds. Okay, graphics for the birds. Very simple. Awesome. And if you like to highlight some more, so you can put the strong lines with the marker. So this is how. Okay, awesome. So I think this simple scenery is very good, and you can do the practice. And thanks for watching. Stay with us. Have a good day.